Hey, all you internet car people out there. Back at my parents' place for a visit, and I thought I'd start tinkering around a little bit on my grandma's old 32 Plymouth again. Its shift machine was a little broken. It must have happened probably when we were kids playing around in there. I'm more than likely the one that did it. But I already kind of have it fixed, but I'll show you what I did. So here's the shift stick, and there's a pin in this ball, and that pin was sheared off, so I basically just drilled it out and found an old worn out drill bit to cut off and stick in there. So what was happening was the stick would just spin inside the ball, so you couldn't select between gears very well. And there's a pin, and you can't really see it, inside the housing. There, you can see it. So that keeps the ball from spinning, so you can actually select between gears. Now this big nasty spring's gotta go in. Holds the ball in place and everything. Got it. Oh, that was a superior pain in the ass. There she is.